Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto 101. It's currently day 10 without my car. I also gave myself an awesome haircut today too as well. So let's get right into the video. All right, YouTube. So like I said, it's day 10 without my car. I also had a nice haircut that I gave myself earlier as well too. Back to another episode of Crypto 101. Markets today weren't the best, but when it came to cryptocurrency, actually no. Correction, actually, the markets today were actually not that bad, actually. Earlier, they were actually decent, but then they started coming down as the afternoon progressed. Stocks weren't that bad for my portfolio today. But Dogecoin is still a little sluggish today. It wasn't the best. The most it went up to today was 39 cents, close to 40 cents almost, but still at 39 cents nonetheless. Let's talk about Bitcoin since that one's really trending. It's really trending right now. So last night around, let's see, today is November 21st, 2024. It's currently 8:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I remember last night crypto went up to 98,000. And earlier today it went to 99,000. Almost breaching 100,000 almost earlier, as you guys can see right here. Hold on, right here, yeah. The almost 99,000 mark. It actually did earlier. It did go up to 99,000 because I was reading some articles as well too. You can't really see them here, but because there were articles earlier that stated that it hit 99,000. It hit 99,000. I think it was 99,300 or 99,800, somewhere around that. Somewhere around there. It was under 100,000. So Bitcoin did pretty well today. Actually, had its best week ever of all time. Currently at the moment. Because last night when I finished making the last video I made yesterday, last night, about an hour after that, once it hit like, I don't know if it was 9 p.m. last night or 10 p.m., close to 11 p.m. last night, I remember it was spiking up to 98,000, which is crazy. And that was last night, and today it hit 99,000. I can show this again right here. Trying to get a good thumbnail here for the video later on when I edit this after I'm done making the video. Yeah, Bitcoin was doing very well today, is all I can say. Another thing to keep an eye out for was this stock called Microstrategy. They're trending right now at the moment. I was about to buy some shares once it closed, like once it sunk. I was gonna buy some shares right around this point right here. Yeah, at 3:50 p.m. the time, Eastern Standard Time. I was gonna buy some shares with the money I have in my investment account right now. I was gonna buy it at $381.21 a share. Yeah, I was gonna buy it at 381,000 I was gonna buy it at $381.21 a share. I was gonna buy it then, but I hesitated because I wasn't sure if it's gonna be down tomorrow, and I didn't want to lose money on something that's gonna go down as soon as I buy it. I'm not sure how it's gonna look tomorrow, this stock, because they have a lot of Bitcoin. They actually are hoarding the world's largest stockpile of Bitcoin at the moment. Yes, you heard that right. They are hoarding the world's largest amount of Bitcoin. And the CEO is kind of encouraging that a little bit. They just completed a $3 billion deal for their debt, so they could buy more Bitcoin over the next 3 years. We'll have to wait and see for that. Don't know how the stock is going to look tomorrow morning once the markets open at 9:30 a.m. Not sure, but this is definitely something to keep an eye out for because they were pretty high today earlier before in the pre-market, as you guys can see right there. They were up there, but then once it hit like 10:35, yeah, a.m. is where it started sinking, and then after that it went up a little bit. Then after that, it just took a tumbling. By the time it hit 350, it was already like down a lot. Then after hours trading, it kind of went back up a slight bit, and then it's still down, as you guys can currently see right here. So yeah, it wasn't that bad today. No, oh, actually, no. Let's go back onto MicroStrategy stock. Give me 1 second, guys. My bad. I wanted to show the trading pattern for over the past week or two. So as you guys can see, it's up a lot. It's up by 23%. Over the past month, it's been up. 3 months, it's been up. The year to date is also up. The past year, it's up. The past 5 years, it's up, and its max history. This year was literally its craziest year. I know the CEO of MicroStrategy called out Warren Buffett on Warren Buffett losing $3 billion for not investing in Bitcoin or any stocks that are hoarding Bitcoin. Like MicroStrategy is hoarding Bitcoin right now. They're holding a lot of Bitcoin. They have the world's largest stockpile. That's definitely a stock to keep an eye out for. Another stock to keep an eye out for is a lot of these companies are starting to buy Bitcoin now. It's called iBit something. I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. Yeah, iShares Bitcoin. There we go. That's the other one. It's a stock ETF. It's a holding company that has Bitcoin. Yeah, like a trust company type of thing or something, I think, if I'm right. Yeah, they were listed on the market not too long ago, back early in 2024 in January. Yeah. So it wasn't that bad today. It actually was really decent today. I had a good morning on the stocks before it went down. I did sell some Microsoft shares. I sold some Lockheed Martin and some Northrop Grumman stocks. That's why you can see my account balance is almost 6,000. It's at $5,920.28. I'm gonna be reinvesting that soon. I might invest it into the MicroStrategy stock, but I don't know because that stock was very volatile today. The trading volume was very high with the MicroStrategy stock. My bad. Because I saw some guy named Andrew Left. He short sold the MicroStrategy stock, which is why it tumbled today by a lot. I found out about the guy. I researched him. It talked about that he's a short seller in stocks, so he's not really like the long term type of person, I believe, from what I've read. So definitely not the type of person you want to do investing with. Is Andrew Left because he's a short seller. I mean, I'm gonna short sell anyways, just because I'm going with the trend because it's on quick cash. But after that, it's just gonna go right back to long term. I do want to buy more shares into this company out of New York, which is called Anali Capital. They have a very good dividend stock that I like. They pay 65 cents a share. And they're at a decent price if you ask me though, almost $20. Like that's literally gas money. That's literal gas money right there for a stock, literally. That's a literal gas money right there, and it's crazy. Like that stock is so dirt cheap as well. This stock definitely has potential in the future. I definitely want to be a huge share owner in this company right here. And I think that's about it, guys. Other than Bitcoin, it's going up a little bit as you guys can see at the time I'm making this video. Might it no, I don't want to do any assumptions. I'm not that type of person with this type of stuff. I'm the person that gives the yes or no answer. Yes, it will definitely hit 99,000 before the end of tonight. It's 3 hours before midnight, just about. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. I mean, Bitcoin's definitely gonna hit that 100,000 mark. Um, I don't I don't know. Like today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. This can definitely hit 100,000 by either tomorrow or Saturday this week before next week starts. I swear. This will definitely hit 100,000 before the beginning of next week, guaranteed. Though the price will be different by the time I upload this video, unfortunately, because that's just how the market is. But you guys gotta keep an eye on this stuff, and we're gonna have to see how it goes, because I'm already hearing stuff that in December it's kind of like gonna crash and stuff. From some articles that I was reading, some things, I don't know. Everyone has their own predictions and stuff, but who knows? I think the real answer we're gonna have is really on Trump's inauguration on the January 20th, 2025, which is next year. We'll have to see how the markets are on the 20th of January 2025 during Trump's inauguration. Not sure how it's going to be because we're not there yet. At this point, it's just speculation. I mean, it's just a matter of just waiting to see it on the screen on the day of the inauguration. But other than that, guys, That's all I got for today. Definitely Bitcoin will hit that 99,000 mark either tonight or tomorrow. Um, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.